How to only me cover photo on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can only me cover photo on Facebook. That means you how you can change the privacy option of your cover photo on your Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, head over to your account section, and inside your account section, as you can see, here is my profile picture. And once you click on your profile picture, as you can see, three dots icon here. One thing you will notice is the that Facebook hasn't added a privacy option for your cover photo in today's date. As you can see from here as well, there is no option called privacy as it is inside the option for profile picture. You can see for profile picture you can simply click on only me, but for cover photo you don't have that option. So that is the thing Facebook should increase their focus on. So for today, that is it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was valuable for you. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.